Hello, my name is Bob Evans and I'm going to show you how to price a construction project using a simple foundation and ground floor slab. The idea is to make the process simple to give you the principles so you can price any element of construction work. There are 6 lessons. Lesson 1, Introduction and the Standard Method of Measurement. Lesson 2, Taking off construction quantities. Lesson 3, How to obtain accurate labour, plant and material costs. Lesson 4, How to price the bill of quantities using built-up rates. Lesson 5, Productivity constants and pricing books. Lesson 6, Project planning, how to plan your project using the bills of quantity data. This is what we're going to use as our example. It's a simple foundation and ground floor construction. You can stop the video and read the history of the standard method of measurement on this page, and it is also on the web page. You need 2 reference books to get started, the NRM2 book and the SMM7 price book. You can download a free copy of the NRM2 from the web page below. You can buy the SMM7 Architects and Building price book from Amazon. I use the SMM7 price book. It is full of useful data and information you need for estimating. For examples on how to use the SMM rules. On page 158 of the MRN2 book you will find this table. The table gives you the measurement rules to take off site clearance works, including stripping off the topsoil. And on page 159 you will find the rules for measuring excavations. To see how these are used, go to the excavation section in the SMM7 price book. You will find this page. You can see how the descriptions are used. For example, trenches are broken down into depths. This is because it costs more to excavate a trench 2 meters deep than 1 meter deep. What to do next? Download the NRM2 book and study it. It is designed for large projects and the preliminary section is quite long. Focus on the measurement section first. Buy the SMM7 price book. You will find it very useful to learn how to describe the items, and there is a lot of information in this book. The version I'm using currently is the 2023. If you need any support, just complete the Ask a Question form on the web page, or my contact details are on the Contact Us page. Thanks for listening. Bye.